During hardship, people tend to move anyhow. Especially from hardship to where they think is more prosperous nation. Never take a permanent decision because of temporary challenge. Everybody moves to America from all over the world. I'm going to the US. I'm going to the US. If you are not making progress, have a proper and sincere self-evaluation. Never stay where you are not excited. It is not places that make people, it's people that make places. Excellence is simply doing a common thing uncommonly well. Excellence is to go beyond others. Now, number one force of excellence is your appearance is a message to others. Number one, your appearance is what? A message to others in career and business. The way you dress determines how people will address you. Joseph was to appear in the palace of Pharaoh from the prison. And in Genesis chapter 41 verse 14, then Pharaoh sent and called Joseph, and they brought him hastily out of the dungeon, and he shaved himself and changed his raiment and came in unto Pharaoh. Even if he interpreted dream and he was the best interpreter, Pharaoh wouldn't have made him a prime minister if he had come out with the look of a prisoner. Are you hearing what I'm saying? He knew he was going into the palace. And he knew that God has ordained him for greatness. So he changed his look. Changed it what? You're expecting in career to talk with top executives, and that day you're wearing jeans and t-shirt. No, now. No. They won't take you serious. No matter how intelligent you are. Joseph had to shave to look like a man who has something to offer. The second force of excellence, stay in the center of your what? Your strength. He gave jobs to experts and specialists. Refuse to be a mediocre. Excel in whatever you do. And skill is not a gift. Skill is developed. There's no gift of skill. You develop skill. You develop what? You develop skill. So look at your strength. Look at your what? Develop that your strength. Don't develop your weakness. Stop dwelling on your weakness. Develop your strength. That's how you become marketable. Continually what? Grow in the knowledge of your assignment. Refuse to be static. Don't use yesterday's information for a growing age. It may become obsolete. Constantly update your knowledge bank in the field of your endeavor. Consult experts in your field by reading books, the books of the people, trainings, formal and informal. The internet, listen, everybody here, the internet is not a bad thing. Depends on what you use it for. The internet is not a global world. Go to internet to improve yourself. Should you do one course during this period to improve yourself as a businessman? Motivate and develop yourself. Motivate and do what? Motivate and what? Develop yourself. Don't wait to be pushed or coerced. So you don't use yesterday information. Otherwise, the people who are following your business will get tired. It's slaves that wait for people to push them. And you're not a slave. It says, yet a man diligent in his business. Proverbs 22:9. He shall stand before kings. He shall not stand before what? Mean men. So you have, I think it has that 84% of workers, 84% of workers, we need supervision to complete a given task or work. Life is in three what? The bottom, which is heavily crowded. Then we have the middle class. And then we have the top. And this is how they divide themselves. This is how you find yourself. You determine where you belong. 4% of workers will need supervision to complete a given what? You have to supervise them before they can do anything. They are the ones that stay at the bottom. Then, another 14% must have some form of supervision. They are the middle class. Only 2% will accept responsibility without supervision. The 2% are always the highest paid in any organization. They don't lobby, you pay them. These 2%, they are the highest paid in any organization. Even in church, you pay them more. Strive to be in the 2%. Strive to what? That's what I'm saying. Strive to be in the 2%. When they give you an assignment in your office, they don't have to come. Have you done it? Sir, I forgot. No, they shouldn't. When are you submitting it? Sir, do you know it skipped my memory? That shows a high level of responsibility. Don't look for cheap money. It cheapens destiny. You know, it's only this part of the world where somebody will not work and just get one balloon money. Now, any money gotten by vanity without diligence will not last. Will not what? Most of the politicians who stole money, they are all broke because they never got it by diligence. Money gotten by vanity shall diminish. But he that gathered by labor, is that true? So pay the price. Pay what?